Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I know a lot of you are looking for jobs in the healthcare field that are non-phone, so that is what I have today. But of course, if there is something specific that you're looking for, please always feel free to leave that in the comments. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. I keep a list, and if I ever come across anything, I share it. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the healthcare company Ventra Health. They are hiring a chart research representative. This is for their ED emergency department. This is remote for the United States only. And if you're interested in putting that application in, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. But they are basically looking for somebody to be responsible for reviewing medical records to make sure the necessary documents are there for a proper indexing. You'll ensure the medical records are complete with the record system by identifying and obtaining any missing chart information, including signatures from the doctors or other pertinent personnel. You'll report on incomplete medical records based on the deadlines you are given. You'll conduct a review of the systems, exams, HPI, and MD notes. You'll retrieve the existing medical records from the electronic medical records system. You'll scan and input those documents, verify the information is indexed appropriately in the system. You'll pull down medical records through automated tasks, and then you'll log into the computer systems and download registration logs, demographic information, all of that kind of things. So you'll just work these documents as required. Sometimes you will have to create new entries and subfiles as needed in the system with the correct medical record number. So this is going to be all non-phone, dealing with just checking the medical records, researching to make sure all the information's there, gathering what information you need, and indexing them under the correct things. So maybe it's a lab report, or maybe it's an x-ray scan. So you'll have to index the different medical records for what they are. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED, and they prefer somebody who has at least 1 year experience handling patient information or medical records, but that is again preferred and not required. They are looking for somebody who does know medical terminology and a little bit about how electronic medical records work. Someone who has great critical thinking skills, great organizational skills, great time management skills, and you have to be able to work great with computer systems, especially word processing and spreadsheet systems, kind of like Microsoft Office. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $14 an hour to $16 an hour. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Like stated in the beginning of this video, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments below. If you're looking for something specific in the healthcare field, such as coding, billing, whatever, please leave that down below as well. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.